Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Valorant. You got an error, corrupt game data detected. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, right click on taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. Now right in the search box, type in Riot. If the process is running, right click and choose the option End Task. Make sure you completely close the Riot client and its related services. After doing so, type in Valorant. Again, if it is running, right click and choose the option End Task. Now after closing Riot client as well as Valorant, right click on Riot client and go to its properties, click on compatibility tab and make sure you check mark this option, run this program as an administrator. If this option is check mark, uncheck it. After doing so, hit apply and hit OK button. You need to do the same with Valorant.exe file also. Go to its properties and check mark the option run in administrator and disable full screen optimization. After doing these changes, try to relaunch the game. If this failed to work out, right click on start menu, choose option run. Type a percentage, temp percentage and then hit the enter key. Now whatever the files are present, select all, right click and choose option delete. After doing so, close it. Now again open run command and this time type prefetch and then hit the enter key. Select all the files, right click and delete. Now again open run command and this time type percentage, local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Find a folder with the name Valorant, right click and choose the option delete. Now close it. Now go ahead and restart your PC and relaunch the Valorant and hopefully the issue of corrupt game data detected will be completely fixed out. If this also failed to work out, in next step you need to open up your web browser and download a tool with the name Revon installer. Scroll down and you can download its free portable version to save it into your PC. Save the path and once the folder is saved, open the zip folder and unzip the folder by drag and drop onto your desktop. Now open the unzip folder, right click on Revo U port and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now here list of programs will be shown right in front of you. Now you need to find the Valorant right over here, click on it and choose the option Uninstall. Make sure you completely uninstall Valorant and its registries using this tool only. After uninstalling, restart your PC and then reinstall the Valorant and the issue of corrupt game data detected will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.